Fago. That was brilliant from Fago. Able to stop that one. That one. অনুরোধ রইব সমস্ত দর্শক বন্ধু जो বন্ধু মানে বর্তমান সুদ্ধা টিকট সংগ্রহ করে না খন্ডে খন্ডে টিকট সংগ্রহ করে নিয়ন্তু কারণ বিদেশি খেলাড়ি বর্তমান ফিল্ড মধ্যে প্রবেশ করে সারিଛନ୍ତି
নেপালি
নিশ্চিত ভাবে এবং বর্তমান প্রথম শট কাম টু দমদম শট পরাস্ত হয়েଛନ୍ତି সেই জায়গায় গোলকিপার বিক্রম
রাহুল হয়ে যেখানে যেতে
প্রত্যুত্তর রক্ষি পাইনাহাନ୍ତି এবং বর্তমান ଭାବରେ এই ଖେଳକୁ ସେମାନେ ଆଗକୁ ନେଇକି ଯିବେ ସମସ୍ତଙ୍କର ନଜର ବ୍ଲାକ୍ ହିଲ୍ ଏଫସି ଉପରେ ବଛା ବଛା ନିଗ୍ର ବଛା ବଛା ବିଦେଶୀ ଖେଳାଳି ମାନଙ୍କୁ ନେଇକି ଆସିଛନ୍ତି ବର୍ତ୍ତମାନ ମଝି ପ୍ରଥମ ଶଟ୍ ନେବା ପାଇଁ ସାମ୍ନାରେ ପପୁନ ମଝି ଟୁ ପପୁନ बिल्कुल सठिक धैर्यर सहित शांत भाव गोलकीपर को प्रथम जीवाई देते निजर डाहाण पार्श्व और बाँ पार्श्व शॉट नहीं ऑलमोस्ट वन स्टेप शॉट ब्रिलियंट एक्सिक्यूशन दैट वाज फ्रॉम Maji after one shot score line in this penalty shootout 1-1 now the second shot is going to be taken by the substitute Mithun 14 Joy Padam FC Julia once again Vikram inside the goal post the man with the gloves the responsibility to save the ball Mithun to Vikram it's powerful it was along the ground into the net Mithun scores in this penalty shootout. Successful. Another successful shot in this penalty shootout from Joy Padam FC Jualia. He was almost went to right way. Vikram Guman Singh, the interchanged goalkeeper. The tall central fullback with the responsibility to save the balls. Now Dhananjay to take the second shot in this penalty shootout. Well known each other. And now this is going to be a very interesting contest. Not only physical, this is surely psychological also. Who is going to win this psychological between Dhananjay versus Guman Singh? Oh. That was clever and that was perfectly done. Almost the action replay. The lineup 14 Black Hill FC surely going to be a very interesting one. You need to believe the unbelievable. 7 overseas players included in Black Hill FC. Now we'll surely look towards the penalty shootout arena. Third shot from Joy Padam FC Jualia. Once again Vikram in the goal post. It was upper stop. Could not able to connect the ball properly towards his left side. He was bending, he was moving, but could not able to stop that ball. Disappointment for Vikram and disappointment for Kisan Brother FC Baripada. Couldn't even believe his luck. Now Mongol. তৃতীয় শট তোলার জন্য চলে আসছে এই পেনাল্টি শুট আউটে কিষান ব্রাদার এফসি থেকে মঙ্গল পরিবর্তিত খেলোয়াড় শেষ মুহূর্তে নিয়ে আসলেন কিন্তু তারপর দেখতে হবে এখন সামনে কিন্তু গোলপোস্টের মাঝখানে গুমান সিং इंटरचेंज गोलकीपर भावे আমরা দেখছি মঙ্গল সামনে গুমান খুব দারুণ খুব সুন্দর ভাবে 100 রিপ্লে বলতে কোন রকমের কিছু অসুবিধা নেই এখানে কিন্তু আবার আরেকটা ইন্টারচেঞ্জ হবে বিক্রম তার পরিবর্তে এখন সেভ করতে চলে আসছে ফাগু হেমব্রম তিনটা issue may be a little bit of hold. The penalty shootout was put on hold for some time, and all the issues has been resolved. Shano was also mentioned as extra goalkeeper.
टाइटल दे थोड़ा टाइम गया
That was now Lalu to take the shot in this penalty shootout once again. We will look towards this penalty shootout. 3-3 in the equalizing situation now. Lalu to Fagu. That was brilliant. Fagu flying save. Fagu Hembrom makes the defense right now. He made the effort. Can he able to do it once again? And suddenly Chono need to save this one. Chandra to take this shot. And lot of things remaining. Little bit of in certain situation you couldn't able to decide until unless this penalty shootout is finished. Chandra to Chono. C versus C. Chandra to Chono. Fourth shot in this penalty shootout. Oh, that was clever, that was brilliant. One goal lead in this penalty shootout for Kisan brother. After four shot, the score line. Kisan brother 4, Joy Bodam FC, Juaria 3. One missed penalty, one brilliant save, and now Guman Singh. Once again now in between the goal post, Fagu Hembrom, the tall man. And the captain of the team, surely the skipper. And this time, Guman Singh lead to score. Otherwise, they are going out of this tournament from the first round. Surely going to be a big setback for them. Guman Singh to Fagu Hembrom will learn about their strength and weakness. Who is going to able to subject? That was outside the goal post and victory for Kisan Brother FC Baripada. Disappointment for team